than to score. And Ubia himself same way. And the only thing Abia worrying for Chelsea for say this season home games no yes. This season Chelsea are bought home games. We win 6, we draw 5, and we lose 6. Teams beat us Brighton, Eba Stamford Bridge, Eba share Chelsea. Sunderland win Eba Stamford Bridge, Eba share Chelsea. But for Callum McFarlane, and the fact say Wabeji Edumawe at a very difficult time, Ubisana, I'm very sure that he will not say it, but he feels that there's some pressure. ABM paying for Nobeka say, oh, you are not under pressure, just play your game. But to him personally, he knows that if he doesn't get the result, a lot of the responsibility will be on his head. Say, Yapam Rosinia now will be a show, say, you have not been able to do that. And it looks like this afternoon, pressure ever wants so. Say, he will try and get the result. Chelsea haven't beaten Nottingham Forest back-to-back Premier League games since 1998-99 season. Inti also you had Nottingham Forest for a deba game because already they're also trying to survive relegation. Inti, this is a game where two teams are playing. Omo fortunes Nina is hanging on the 3 points. But if Chelsea really want to prove, say, they have what it takes to play European Cup competition next season, whether it is Champions League, whether it is Conference League or Europa League, and in a area where they have to try and get those 3 points. Or when team nyasa 3 points now, I really don't know how they would want to finish the season, because in the next game on Nottingham Hotspur bebo, Nottingham Hotspur performance over the weekend you can see that Deserby's influence yes is beginning to creep in slowly, and the confidence is coming back. You don't want to go and play with Nottingham Forest or bra wasa lusu your game against Nottingham Forest, and that would have been the 6th loss on the spin, and Chelsea having lost 6 games on the spin since 1989. This is a big game for Chelsea. May Callum McFarlane, I would inspire the boys in such a way that they would understand that individually on the pitch they need to show up and help the team in very difficult circumstances. If you are giving me 45 minutes, now go be my not pressure, not start build. And that is where you expect a person like João Pedro would rise to the occasion. He will take his time and convert and finish. Because if he leads the line, definitely there will be a responsibility on him to convert and score a goal. Chelsea for the end. I'll make a quick about Arsenal.
Okay.
Rich, I was very impressed over the weekend with how Bukayo Saka on the ball. Obekaya last me catch that will say, Arsenal with where they stand right now, I don't see them winning. I think Manchester City has a better chance. But now that Manchester City, 2 more games to play to try and equal the 76 points, they'll be feeling the heat kakra. But over the weekend, Bukayo Saka said when he's in the team, he knows exactly what to do to help the Arsenal team to get what they need. And it was so clear the difference between the two of them. And if you look at Bukayo Saka, you want to attribute the past challenges and failures to the kind of resilience he has built moving forward. Because also him say this is moment we winning league now. It's a big disaster for the whole team, and part of the responsibility will be attributed to him. Say as
Senior
deputy
player.
Captain of the side, right? When we needed you the most, or when we expected you to step up. And yes, he has struggled with fitness levels this season and but when he came in, or when he came into Saturday game of boy, you could tell the influence instantly in the goals of Moshe. I really hope say they can score more goals say Moshe against Fulham.
Okay. Because
that would be their only key to beat Manchester City if the game goes down to a wire. Say on the final day, both are tied on points. We are trying to figure out who would be the winner. Arsenal for goal difference no.
Sure.
To be triumphant in that respect.
Okay. Yemefi na the Ghana Premier League